They may look cute, cuddly, or even awe-inspiring, but looks can be deceiving. In the wild, beauty often hides danger. Today, we're counting down the top 10 animals you should never touch, no matter how tempting that fluffy tail or those vibrant colors might be. So buckle up, animal lovers, because getting too close to these creatures could land you in a world of hurt. Number 10. Indian red scorpion. Native to India, Pakistan, and Nepal, Indian red scorpions were first scientifically described in 1798. Around 4 inches long, they can be orange, red, brown, or blue. Few things are known about these nocturnal predators of tiny vertebrates like lizards. They enjoy greenery and are more common near human settlements. Their proximity has made them known in the area for their mildness. But if you touch or hold one, its tail will try to sting you. If effective, poisons and injections can cause intense pain, vomiting, unconsciousness, pink, phlegm, abnormal heart rhythms, and death. There's no anti-venom, although other treatments have helped recovery, and current estimates put the fatality rate between 8 and 40%. Indian red scorpions are best seen but not touched because most victims are children. Number 9. The Brazilian walking spider. Each of the 8 Brazilian wandering spider species is one of the most venomous in the world. Fake nutria means homicidal in Greek, and the more you learn about them, the more fitting it is. These 8-inch-long creatures crawl across the jungle floor to find food without building webs. They're not hostile toward non-food. If threatened, they'll defend themselves. They'll raise their front 2 legs as a warning, then bite if it doesn't work. The toxins they inject cause extreme pain immediately and high or low blood pressure, rapid heartbeats, cramping, vertigo, blurred vision, and a severe shock reaction within 30 minutes. In rare cases, venom can cause death, but causes severe pain and discomfort that may make you wish it was lethal. Number 8. Irukandji jellyfish. The Irukandji jellyfish, found in northern Australia, is one of the smallest jellyfish in the world, but one of the most dangerous. It was named after the Irukandji people who lived in the coastal regions, and it was discovered in the 1960s. It explains Irukandji syndrome, a mysterious illness that had long plagued those who entered the waters. Jellies shoot their deadly toxin through stingers on their bell and tentacles, which can be 2 feet long, 100 times stronger than cobra poison and 1,000 times stronger than tarantula venom. It sends at least 100 individuals to the hospital each year, and only a small number of enemics can cause severe headaches, nausea, vomiting, elevated heart rate, and hallucinations. These can last days or weeks and be lethal without treatment. Deaths from Irukandji jellyfish are rare today that there are numerous ways to lessen their severity. Number 7. Lenomia obliqua. Adult Nomia oblique, the huge silkworm moth, is unattractive. However, its larval form is more amazing. The green or brown caterpillar is about 2 inches long. They blend with South American jungles yet still attract other creatures, so they created a secondary defense to boost their survival odds. They have hollow body hairs that can easily detach and be breathed in by a potential threat and can puncture the skin to release a potent venom that passes through the hollow spines. The first caterpillar found to be deadly to humans releases a small amount of toxin. So you need to be stung 20 to 100 times to receive a fatal dose, but that's easily possible if you pick one up. First indicators of envenomation are swelling, headaches, fever, and vomiting. Within 24 hours, headache diathesis worsens and death follows. Stay away from these in the wild and don't touch them. Number 6. The deathstalker scorpion. Found in African and Middle Eastern deserts, the deadly deathstalker scorpion is one of the most venomous on Earth and has killed many people. Though only 3 inches long, these tiny insects may cause severe pain if you approach too close or touch them. They fight perceived threats with their steer in a split second. The venom it injects contains chlora, charbonose, sela, and 3 achetotoxins. You're right, this combination sounds terrible. It hurts so much. The sting can cause paralysis, central nervous system dysfunction, and muscle loss. After envenomation, people may develop anaphylaxis and die from asphyxiation or pulmonary edema. Number 5. Flamboyant cuttlefish. You might not believe cuddling fish could harm humans. The flashy cuttlefish is exclusive to Indo-Pacific waters. Due to the odd colors, the 3 or 4-inch species lives on the seabed's mud and silt, searching for food. It is only the 3rd mollusk with poisons, and some research believe it could be as harmful as the blue-ringed octopus. The acids and toxins in their body are everywhere, and touching their skin can be painful. Eating one would surely kill them. Although rare, fishermen in the region must be careful not to catch any in their nets, so this is unlikely. They live in a few aquariums worldwide that take special care of them. Number 4. Harvester ants. The Americas have many harvester ant species. The Maricopa harvester ant is exceptionally violent and unpleasant. If you reside in Arizona or in the South, you probably know them and know to avoid them. They usually hunt insects and bring them back to their colony, but if they see a threat or you try to pick one up, they go into defense mode. After emitting pheromones to attract fighters, they try to clamp their mandibles into the flesh. After hauling, it pivots and stings its target. Despite using little venom, each stung produces hours of agony. Small amounts can be dangerous, especially if 20-fold stronger ants are involved in the attack than honeybees. A person stung more than 100 times will likely need hospitalization to prevent long-term damage. Number 3. Blue glaucus. The blue glaucus is a stunning creature. Some may try to pick one up if they spot it swimming past them in the water, but you won't have much time to look at it. These 1.2-inch long creatures ride the currents in the Indian and Pacific Oceans upside down. Their particular defense comes from their food, not their nature. They feed on venomous animals like the Portuguese man of war and store their stings and venom in their tissue. This means that if you handle one of these slugs, you could be stung with a concentrated dose of venom from some of the world's deadliest animals, causing vomiting, nausea, extreme pain, and other nasty conditions that could kill you if not treated quickly. Number 2. The cone snail. Many of the 600 cone snail species are innocuous, but some are dangerous to handle. The snail's deadly skills come from their slow movement on the ocean floor and the urge to catch their victim. They use a modified tooth as a harpoon to shoot at prey. It's covered in cone snail venom and incapacitates their target instantly, giving them time to get to the carcass and obtain nourishment. There are many lovely hues, therefore shell collectors and swimmers often pick them up, which can activate the harpoon. It can pierce skin and rubber gloves. 3 or 4 species have lethal venom. Around 27 people have died from cone scent venom injections, which can cause hazy vision, breathing problems, discomfort, swelling, vomiting, and death. After being invented, the victim probably only has time to inhale a cigarette before dying, hence the name cigarette snails. Number 1. The Africanized honeybee. Africanized honeybees are killers. Developed by breeding multiple species, they were introduced in Brazil in the 1950s to boost honey output and have since spread across the continent and into the US. They are more protective than other honeybees. They'll attack you until you're no longer a threat if you disturb them. You've been known to chase a person more than a quarter mile before giving up, and in large swarms, victims receive more than 10 times as many stings as with another species. Over 1,000 individuals have been killed by Africanized honeybees, many of whom accidentally disturbed their hives. Their community structure contributes to this. They consider a larger region around their hives their territory. The guard ratio is substantially higher than other species. It's difficult to distinguish these bees from others from afar, only their behavior reveals it. Remember, folks, respect comes first in the animal kingdom. While curiosity is natural, there's a fine line between appreciation and potential danger. These amazing creatures deserve our admiration from a safe distance. Want to learn more about specific animals on the list? Check out the links in the description below for fascinating facts and safe ways to observe them in their natural habitat.